In this video, let us learn access specifier from P1 to P2 package. So in our Java project, we will create one more package, that is P2 package. In P2 package, we will specify the subclass. Subclass in P2 package. It has a superclass as protection, but protection is available in P1 package. So in P2 package, we have created a class subclass in P2 package. So we need to rename this particular one array factor. We need to make it as a package PA. Yes, refactor it. So this particular class has extended protection, but protection is available in which package? P1 package. Now we need to specify the constructor now. Public subclass in P2 package. As soon as we can specify subclass in P2 package, we'll try to specify everything, all the components now. All the variables will try to print. So the name itself indicates inside subclass in P2 package class constructor. As soon as we can try to execute, private is giving error message. Yes, it is a known thing because in the same package itself we can't able to access. But one more is also giving error message, compilation error. That is called the default. So have you remembered default is called the which one? Package private. So the default access specifier can be accessible only within the same package alone. So it is also called the package private. It can be accessible only within the same package. That's the reason whatever the members are available in the protected, the member is called default underscore B 200. It can be accessible only within the P1 package. Within P1 package, it can be a subclass or independent class can access. But other package we can't able to access. So then what are the two things we can access? Protected we can access and public we can access. Fine. Now we need to create an object in the main class. Execute class constructor obj4 is equal to new obj subclass in P2 package. Now we will comment this particular class because we would like to analyze output of only for the subclass in P2 package class. Again, it is allowing us to import. The reason this class is available in P2 package, but we are trying to execute in a other package called main execution. So that's the reason we should import. So now, if we can try to execute, what is the output we can able to get? Only for 2 lines? No, it provides the output of protected class output also it provides. Because in subclass constructor, the no-ors constructor of superclass called by default. Because of this reason, if we can try to execute a subclass constructor, it calls superclass no-ors constructor by default. So that's the reason, as soon as if we can execute, we are getting the protected class constructor complete output and as well as subclass in P2 package class constructor output also we can able to get. Only protected and public only we can get the result. Now we'll try to provide an independent class in P2 package. IND independent class in P2 package. Independent class in P2 package. Yes, we need to specify the constructor. The constructor name must be similar to the class name. The same name only we should use it. And we'll try to specify these many lines. First, we need to change the inside independent class in P2 package. So everything is provides compilation error. The solution is in this way. Either you need to declare the variables in the independent class in P2 package, or you need to create an object for protected class, because these variables from protected class only we are trying to access it here. So now we need to create an object. Once after creating the object, based on the object, so first we need to import. What is the purpose we need to import? Because the protected class is available in P1 package. Independent class in P2 package, it's available in P2 package. So from one package to another package, we are trying to import. That's the reason we should import this corresponding class. Based on the object we are trying to access. As soon as if we can do the observation, except public, everything is giving compilation error. What is the reason? The private members of the class can be accessible only within the same class. The default can be accessible only within the same package. Protected in the same package, yes, we can able to access. From other package, only subclass alone can be accessible. That's the reason currently it is an independent class. That's the reason except public access specifier we can't able to access anything. So now we need to create an object in the main class, main method. Execute constructor obj5 is equal to new obj. We need to specify we are supposed to import this particular class because this is from P2 package, and since we need to concentrate only for the independent class in P2 package, that's the reason we'll comment it. So now if we can try to execute, it provides the output. So we'll analyze what can be the output it provides. Whether it provides only for the output of public variable? No. Since we have created an object for protection class, along with the protection class constructor output, it provides only for this particular line output. Yes, now if we can run this one, we can able to see protection class output along with for independent class in P2 package, except public we impossible to access anything. So now we can make a conclusion now. How means go to Excel file, copy the same thing and go to new sheet. So now we can specify same class in P1 package, subclass in P2 package, independent class in P2 package. Same class in P1 package, everything we can access. Subclass in P2 package, only protected and public only we can able to access. And independent class in P2 package, except public, we can't able to access anything. So this is the conclusion now. Thank you.